Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. We just checked in to the beautiful Dockside Inn here in Orlando, Florida in Universal, and the most incredible lady downstairs at guest services gave us an upgrade, but she said the upgrade was that the room was going to be ready right away. Actually upgraded us to a family suite. I'm so excited and I want to show you this room. It's so nice and I am so grateful and so thankful that she did this for us. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. Let me put the camera and show you what this beautiful room looks like. Gorgeous view from this end of the room. It is so spacious. Never stayed in any Universal resorts, so this is all so new to us. Really nice storage. You have an actual fridge. Disney, this is what we need. Microwave, sink, a little table, mirror. Then this is the second bedroom. So nice. Little closet space. Let's see our view. Wow, look at this gorgeous view. Beautiful. And now we have this vanity area. I don't know where to turn on the light. And here is the bathroom. It's small, but it has everything you need. Shampoo, a little soap. Perfect. It's a really nice resort.